Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I will let you know about the placements report of BIT Sindhi for session 2021 to 2022. Okay, I will give you a complete information of the placement. This is like all the information will be very authentic, and I have gathered this from a very reliable source, and I have did a lot of research and hard work to gather this information. So guys, all this information are very authentic, and there are many misleading information on the internet regarding the placements and other things related to BIT Sindhi. Okay, but I assure you that all the information that I will provide you in my videos will be very authentic and very genuine, because I am a BITian already, and I've researched a lot before making any video. I researched a lot, so you can trust my content. Okay, so let's start with the placement report for session 2021. So here first in this slide I have given you the data branch wise placement, like how the placement was through the branch wise. You can see like chemical has got 75 plus offered from the different companies. Then there comes civil, CSE, EC, electrical, IT, mechanical, metallurgy, mining, production. Here I have provided the branch wise offer that the branch has received. Here you can check this information. Okay, and the highest number is received by mechanical, then electrical, then so on, chemical, IT, electric, CSC, IT, and such. You can see those things here. Okay, then moving toward the key highlights of the placement report. First, like 720 plus offers were received, and 44 lakh per annum was the highest offer. It was offered by Amazon to two of the students of the college. Okay, and 6 lakh per annum was the average package, and the record with this for session 2021 to 2022, it was a record breaking placement session. Okay, like BIT has never seen such a huge placement record in the before years. So there was a great change in the placement scenario of BIT Sindri. Then 3.14 lakh per annum was the lowest package that was offered. Okay, and here coming toward the companies that which offered how many placement, like how many people they hired and at what package they hired. I have mentioned all the companies here. Okay, so I will go through them one by one. So first there is Amazon. Amazon hired two at a CTC of 44 lakh per annum. CTC is cost to company. Okay, 44 lakh per annum is basically the gross salary which they will offer you. Then Amazon hired 4 at CTC of 12 lakh per annum. Then DSAW hired 4 at CTC of 35.5 lakh per annum. Then Cisco hired 1 at CTC of 33 lakh per annum. Then Google hired 1 at CTC of 28 lakh per annum. Then moving to our Samsung had 16 at CTC of 14.5 lakh per annum. Then Halliburton had 1 at CTC of 15.9 lakh per annum. Then Vedanta had 89 at CTC of 9.45 lakh per annum. Vedanta is basically a mining ore company, and it has also other streams of business. Don't confuse Vedanta with Vedantu. That is, Vedantu is basically a online learning platform. Vedanta and Vedantu, they are very different organization. Okay, so Schlumberg hired 7 at 9.58 lakh per annum. Then Adani Enterprises had 28 at 6 lakh per annum. Under Adani Enterprises, all the companies of Adani, they come under that. Okay, then Aditya Birla Group had 39 at 6.6 lakh per annum. Then Akash Institute had 6 at 9.9 lakh per annum. Sorry, and then ArcelorMittal had 31 at 5 lakh per annum. Then Ativo Networks hired 2 at 12.5 lakh per annum. Byju's hired 4 at CTC of 6 lakh per annum. Then Capgemini had 2 at 4 lakh per annum. Cool. Then moving toward another slide, this is Chandrayaan hired 4 at CTC of 4.2 lakh per annum. Then Cognizant hired 85 at CTC of 4 lakh per annum. Then Cognizant Generation Next hired 2 at 6.75 lakh per annum. CSG International hired 1 at 7.5 lakh per annum. Dibya Software hired 4 at 5 lakh per annum. DMT Group hired 1 at 7.5 lakh per annum. Then moving towards another slide, Deloitte hired 35 at 7.6 lakh per annum. Edelweiss GIC hired 1 at 8.7 lakh per annum. Riscon hired 14 at 4.5 lakh per annum. XValue had 5 at 5 lakh per annum. Hexaware Technology had 2 at 3.5 lakh per annum. ACC and Ambuja, they both had 22 students at a package of 7 lakh per annum. Then Hindustan Unilever hired 1 student at a package of 8 lakh per annum. Then Info Edge hired 1 student at a package of 12.5 lakh per annum. Then Infor hired 3 students at a package of 8.5 lakh per annum. Then Infosys hired 6 of our students at a package of 5 lakh per annum. Then ISWPL hired 1 at 5 lakh per annum. Jindal Steel Works hired 17 people at 8 lakh per annum. Counter Analytics hired 4 people at 5 lakh per annum. Kriti Technologies hired 4 at 5.4 lakh per annum. Then L&T, the construction giant of our company, they hired 25 people at 6 lakh per annum. Then Learning Roots hired 3 people at 5.4 lakh per annum. Philips Carbon hired 3 people at 5.25 lakh per annum. PI Industries has hired 2 people at 5.5 lakh per annum. Then Planet Sparks hired 2 people at 6.5 lakh per annum, and so on. Rhinex Technology hired 6 people at 5 lakh per annum, and Sedinger Electric hired 1 at 9 lakh per annum. Then Sifi Technologies hired 10 people at 4.25 lakh per annum. And then here comes the companies of Tata Group. The Tata Power hired 12 people at 6.06 lakh per annum. Then Tata Steel hired 28 people at 10.52 lakh per annum. Then Tata Steel Downstream hired 4 at 6 lakh per annum. Then there comes Tata Technologies. They hired 5 people at 6.65 lakh per annum. Then there comes TCS Digital. They hired 7 people at 7 lakh per annum. Then there comes TCS Ninja. TCS Ninja hired 65 people at 3.36 lakh per annum. Then there comes Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra hired 4 people at a package of 3.25 lakh per annum. Then Tradence Analytics hired 17 at 6.5 lakh per annum. Wipro hired 53 at 3.5 lakh per annum. Then Yamaha hired 4 people at 8 lakh per annum. Yamaha Motors hired 4 people at 8 lakh per annum. Then DQ had 1 people at CTC of 9 lakh per annum, and Halliburton had 1 at CTC of 15.9 lakh per annum. So this was all the companies that visited the campus, and I have given the here mentioned the people, how many students they have hired and at what package they hired them. So all the details I have given here, okay. And these are the past recruiters. Some are the missing, some new were also added, and this is a paper cutting of the placements of BIT Sindri. You can go through that BIT Sindri has a record breaking placement. Then this is a news cutting where BIT Sindri students 44 lakh per annum package by Amazon. And so all the information that I have provided here are very genuine, and this was the placement report for the session 2021 to 2022. Like I may miss some of the placements, like 5 to, like there may be some error of 5 to 10 people, like it is possible that most 5 to 10 more people students they got the placement, but I was not able to gather that information, so there may be very less error chances, okay. So you can trust this data that I have provided. And for your kind information, like if you want the complete placement report, like the name of student, like the name of the student from the branch, who received which package and such thing, like if you want to the PDF of complete placement report, so you can DM me on Insta. I will give you the drive link of that PDF, okay, and you can watch that or you can view that. So if you want that complete PDF of that placement report, like the name wise student, like how much package they received, what was the branch and everything, if you want to know that, you can DM me on Insta. I will give you that link. And this is like all the data that I have provided are very genuine. And placement, there was a great rise in the placement session of BIT Sindri this year, and it is expected that this placement will go, the graph will rise exponentially, and it will grow only in the upcoming future. So if you are getting admission in BIT Sindri, you are very lucky, okay. Grab that opportunity, come here, get a good branch or get the branch of your choice, and study hard and explore the college. The college life is also very awesome. I have also made videos on the college life of BIT Sindri. You can watch that in the playlist. And just for a kind disclaimer, I have a complete playlist on my channel covering all the aspects of BIT Sindri, so you can also watch that to have the complete information of the college, to know the college, how is the college life and how you are going to enjoy your coming years. Like if you're getting admission here, or if you are already admitted here, you are in the first year or second year, if you want to know how their life in the college and such things, I have many videos covering all those aspects, so you can go through that. And that was all from my side. If you guys have any doubts related to anything like any college related doubt or any related doubt, you can comment below, okay, and I'll be more than happy to answer that. And if you like this video, do subscribe the channel, like the video, and guys do share this video among your friends. Okay, this boost my morale, and like if I will get more number of subscribers and such thing, I will ultimately give more time to in making good videos, and it will ultimately benefit you and me both. So for our mutual benefit, do subscribe the channel and share this video with your friends. Till then, have a good day. See you. Bye bye.